Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to forensic science and criminology review. In this video, we'll explore forensic science, 10 items review questions, set for A. To help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, and boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Test your expertise in forensic science. Strengthen your understanding of criminal investigations. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and turn on notifications bell for more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, forensic techniques, and in-depth legal insights. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is a physical evidence? A most important aspect that is more reliable than eyewitness testimony. B. Determines if a crime has been committed. C. Cautious walkthrough of the crime scene. D. Sketch of the crime scene. What to do upon arrival at the crime scene? A. Approach in a safe manner. B. Discuss upcoming search with the team. C. Take notes. D. Protect physical evidence. Documentation of the crime scene should be A. Reliable, accurate, and legible. B. Actual, direct, and exclusively. C. Extraordinary diligence. D. Ordinary diligence. What to do after the final survey of the crime scene? A. Release of the crime scene. B. Conduct final survey. C. Collect physical evidence. D. Conduct detailed search. What should be considered in conducting a final survey? A. Double-check everything. B. Release the crime scene. C. Record physical evidence. D. Document the scene. What should be considered in documenting the crime scene? A. Assume possible evidence that can be found. B. Do not move, touch, or alter the pieces of evidence. C. Double-check the crime scene. D. Discuss upcoming search with the team. What should be the initial response upon arriving at the crime scene? A. Safety of the officer and other individuals. B. Ensure medical attention to the injured. C. Release of the crime scene. D. Preserve the scene. How to secure and control persons at the scene. A. Limiting the person who enters the crime scene. B. Release the crime scene. C. Record the evidence. D. Document the scene. Initial responding officer must provide. A. Double-check everything. B. Conduct final survey. C. Document the scene. D. Must produce legible and accurate documented information. What should the initial responding officer do upon arrival of the investigator? A. Double-check everything. B. Document the scene. C. Release the crime scene. D. Shall provide a detailed crime scene briefing to the investigator. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.